Hi everyone, I'm Madhu Anbargan, working in the DX space for more than a decade. Let's discover how Optimizely Opal's intelligent AI agents transform marketing workflows through automation, orchestration, and natural language interaction. What is Optimizely Opal? A comprehensive platform designed to automate marketing workflows and enable intelligent decision making at a scale. Create and orchestrate specialized AI agents tailored precisely to your unique business requirements and processes. Amplify your team's impact by automating the complex tasks and surfacing the actionable insights without proportional budget increases. Meet Opal Chat, your AI assistant. Opal Chat provides an intuitive chat interface embedded across all Optimizely products and the web portal, making the AI assistants always accessible. Get help finding information, automating repetitive tasks, and receiving guided instructions with contextual links to relevant resources. The system automatically adjusts to its communication style based on your technical expertise level, ensuring clear and effective collaboration. How to access Opal Chat? You can access via three different ways. Opal website, visit opal.optimizely.com where the chat interference automatically launches upon arrival, providing the immediate access to AI assistance. Product integration, access the Opal Chat directly within the Optimizely's admin center and through global navigation bars in all supported products. Secure access, admins enable access per user via OptiID, ensuring the security controls and proper permissions management across your organization. Instruction agents, the brains behind Opal. Agents are purpose built AI assistants with specific roles such as content creation, data analysis, campaign optimization, or workflow automation. Detailed instructions define exactly how each agent operates, communication tone, brand voice alignment, step by step task procedures, and expected output formats. Agents leverage powerful tools to perform actions including web browsing, data extraction, content generation, API calls, and system integrations. Tools extending Opal's capabilities. Pre-configured tools enable agents to seamlessly interact with data sources, APIs, external systems, and web resources right out of the box. Develop a specialized custom tools to embed your domain expertise and automate even the most complex and organization specific workflows. Create a custom tool integrating legacy databases to deliver the personalized campaign insights based on the historical customer behavior and preferences. Configuring agents and tools, admins and power users can create, customize, and register new agents and tools through Opal's intuitive platform interface. Utilize the JSON-based instruction sets and the API endpoints to precisely define the agent behaviors and automated workflow sequences. Leverage the comprehensive debugging and testing tools to ensure your AI assistants are production ready, reliable, and performing optimally. Opal Chat user interface highlights easily search through chat history and start new focused conversations to keep different topics well organized. Toggle the sidebar and expand to full screen, pop out the window, or dock it to maximum flexibility based on your workflow. Regenerate the AI responses for refinement and copy the entire chat threads to share the insights with teammates and stakeholders. Real world impact, Opal in action. Marketing teams accelerate the email campaign development through the AI driven ideation, audience analysis, content creation, and comprehensive quality assurance checks. Automate the complex A B testing planning, feature flag rollout strategies, and sophisticated content personalization workflows that previously required manual effort. Opal's adaptive agents dramatically reduce the manual effort, improve cross-team consistency, and significantly enhance overall decision quality and speed. Let's get into a demo.
Hi team. So once you log into Opal, this is how it looks like. So it has, apart from Opal, it has admin center, app directory, connect platform and reporting as well. Let's start exploring Opal. So basically once we land in Opal, this is how it looks like. it starts with Opal Chat, where we can chat with any of the products or agents or anything. So here we have the view agents. Basically, these agents are either your agents or the system agents. So when we go for more agents, basically you can see these are the system built agents, and as well as it can list your agent as well. Here we have the rewrite agent, and it lists as a rewrite agent. So basically we can pick and choose, and then we can ask either to rewrite anything, or based on like whatever the agent we want, we can ask them to perform the action. So the next tab is instructions. It sets a specific context and guidance to the agent. So to add an instruction, it's pretty simple. You can give an instruction name and the actual core instruction you would like to give, and where to use to add a product and when to use. So let's see an example of how I have created an instruction. So here I have created a personas instruction where we have the utility website, and where we are giving the core instructions to four different customers: energy conscious homeowner, and renters concerned about energy cost, and elderly homeowner, and a family household manager. So basically we are defining what are their titles, goals, metrics, and what are their pain points and interest. So based on it, we are going to create when we create a blog or any article, or a press release or anything, we can basically score against how it can help with an energy conscious homeowner or one of the customers. So once we have the instruction all ready to go, then we can add a product, and it's optional. And as well as when to use, basically when we say add personas or need helps with content analyzing or persona based scoring or content suggestions or rewriting the contents based on personas. So and you need to set it to active in order for the instruction to be used in the agent. Now that we have added the instructions, let's go into agents, the main brain behind the Opal. So basically over here, like you can see that it lists your agents, and the agent directory, which has the system has its own agents that are readily available. To create an agent, basically to add an agent, it can ask for three different types: specialized agent, workflow agent, and you can basically import an agent from a JSON data as well. So any of these agents, these are my agents which I have created in the past. So it shows like active and inactive agents as well, but we can filter it by only active agents or inactive. And here are the specialized agents I have created in the past. And these agents, like we can import them, and we can basically import them and copy as JSON, and then we can utilize it in a production environment or wherever we want. So let's create a specialized agent. So basically we need to provide an agent name, an agent ID, and what it does. And here is the important piece, the prompt template, where we need to define the prompt template. So there are a lot of frameworks available. I highly recommend the Clear framework, which I'm going to show in my example, where we clearly define it says clear example. I'm going to show you what it is. Basically you can go by any of the prompt templates you like, and any variables or tools you would like to add, and this is how is the output you want, by text, or you want by JSON, or however you like. So this is how you create a specialized agent. So let me show an example of a simple agent, maybe a content analyzer agent. Given the name, the ID, and then a description of what the agent does, and then coming into the prompt template, this is the clear framework we went with. So basically, C for I don't remember like what is the clear framework. What are the clear framework? I don't remember what it means for each one of them. Sorry. So basically, the clear framework, the C for concise. So basically, we need to tell like what it does and then what is the logic behind the scenes. So here we have the parameter content, which we put it in the square brackets, and then what are the instructions you want, and then what are the examples you have. So what are the attributes, how it needs to be, and one of the example you can give so that it can understand how it needs to be, and what is the action we need to take. So once that input is given, what do we need to analyze and what do we need to extract from the input. So the tone, sentiments, keywords, content type, structure, and the step 2 is how do we need to do an analysis, what are the things we need to analyze. And the R stands for the refinement. So basically, how do we need to show the output to, uh, in what format we need to show. And so once that prompt template is all set, then we can focus on the variables. So the variable is the content which we have seen, the input which we have given in like double square brackets. Um, and tools, either we can browse by web or we can search on web as well. um, 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 to either browse or search by search in the internet, we can use the tools. We have n number of tools available. We can add whichever tools we like. So these are the tools available. We can pick and choose whichever ones you like. And then output, if you want to specify what format, otherwise it takes it by default. So this is how I have created the agents. Like this, you can go with an workflow agent as well to connect multiple agents to perform the complex tasks. Like one agent goes through, like content analyzer can input to and rewrite agent. The rewrite agent can go into content suggestions. Like however you want, you can basically orchestrate the multiple agents to perform any of your complex processes. Tools basically extend the Opal capabilities with connections across systems or services. So we have n number of tools available. Basically, we can see that so many categories and so many list of tools available. So say for example, we have used the browse web and search web. So when we search for it, it filters out, and we can see that the browse web and search web is available here. So I mean, for each and every task, many tools are available. So we can basically utilize the tools to the core. And also, if you have a new tool that is not listed here and you have developed it, then you can come here and register the tool name and the discovery URL, the API endpoint. And if you have an authentication, you can mention the bearer token as well. So tools are really awesome, and there are a number of tools available to utilize readily. Next comes the settings. Basically, settings are simple configurations where we can mention the font size, the theme, the light mode or the dark mode, or the what is the chat interference level. If you like to enable the RAG in the chat so that you can only attach the document, and whether you want the output from only from the RAG or plus from a product or browsing the internet as well. And what is the email domain you would like to have, and some product connections. So with this, let's see a quick demo. So basically, here I'm in the chat, and we have so many agents available, but I would like to go for a simple agent, content analyzer. So it can analyze and it can give us the tone, the score, and everything. So here is a blog where I have the optimizedly personalized content blogs. So let's ask to analyze my blog content. Either we can copy paste the blog content, or we can give the URL as well, because we have the browse web and the search web tools we have already connected, so it can connect to the internet and fetch all the information from the web page. So basically you can see that it is summarizing the main content of the web page. It takes like around 30 seconds or something to return the results based on the complexity. And as we can see, which step it is in, so we can clearly see the log of each one which is working on. So yes, so it has given the results. So it is the high level results, as like what is the tone of the blog, and what is the sentiment, what are the keywords which are used, what is the content type and the structure, and what are the analysis summary, what is the tone identification. Like it can give like all different segments of analysis, and also we can view the detailed results. So basically here it shows the extracted table format and the summary as well. So this is how we use the Opal Chat. Hope it helps. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Happy optimizing.